So how are we going to go and get this functionality where we click and drag and get that color? We need to know when the mouse is being held down, and we need to know when it's over each individual square, and we need to get a color to put in that, and we need to assign that color. So that's quite a lot to do. That's kind of tricky. But we can do it with the tools in React. So first thing we're going to do is in our app component, we're going to use one of the React lifecycle methods. Really get to know these get to know that you can use them because they can really help do all kinds of cool stuff in your apps. They're totally crucial. And the documentation is on the website. It's pretty decent. But anyway, component did mount, that's going to get called as soon as the component is mounted into the DOM. So this is where we can put on some event listeners. So I'm going to use plain old JavaScript to add event listener for mouse down. And we're going to call a function after it. And we're also going to add an event listener on mouse up. And what we're going to do is add state to this app as well. We'll just call it down. Set equal to false. So we'll just keep track through these event listeners when the mouse is down. So make a couple helper functions here. You can put the function right in there in the event listener, but I like to keep it out, keep it separate. And we'll take an event. We're not going to use the event in this case, but we're just going to set down to true. And then down to false when it comes back up. So you just pass these in like so. Actually, you want to say this dot handle down and this dot handle up. Okay. That's going to take care of that. And a good practice the component will unmount. It's good practice to remove the event listeners. Like so. Now we have that down, so we can pass that into each of our light components. So remember, this light component actually represents 324. This setup up here is for 324 different light components. And each one of them is getting that down. And so what we need to pick that hover color up out in this app component. That's why we built this function out here. We'll just call it hover color. And it's equal to nothing at first. And we'll pass this down here as well. Because this dot state dot hover color. What we'll do is in our handle down, Actually, I didn't need to do that. Handle down. We'll also say hover color this dot get random color. So now we're setting it every time the mouse goes down. We're getting a new hover color, which is in turn going down along with the down component or the down state. The mouse is down or not into that light component. So each component is getting that in the props. So now we can say use something called onMouseOver. That's going to get called every time the mouse goes over one of our lights. We can say if this.props.down, this.setState, color, this.props.hoverColor. What did I do? Nothing, I guess. So, see if that works. See if we've got that. Oh, we must be missing something. Oh, we got 28 errors. Oh, we didn't put the function in here. Was it this.handleMouseOver? This.handleMouseOver. Okay. Make sure we don't have any more errors. Okay. Still not getting it. This 2.state is not a function. Handled down. Okay, let's look. Handle down. Set state down. True. Hover color. This.get random color. Probably have a typo somewhere. I'm missing some piece of this. Mouse over. This.props down. This.setState color. This.props.hover color. What could it be? Huh. Looks right. Well, it seems to keep saying something with this.handle down. Huh. Well, when we take the break, I'll try to figure out what exactly the error is. Don't see it right off the bat here. But I will hunt it down, and next video we'll fix whatever. We'll get things working. See you in the next one.